ApplicationXtender from OpenText is a secure web-based content management system capable of managing virtually any type of content and can be installed either on your servers or on the cloud. ApplicationXtender provides a cost-efficient solution to ingest, store, retrieve, and to process all of your paper and electronic content from a simple-to-use interface that not only looks great, but works as well on any device. To efficiently manage your content, ApplicationXtender employs the use of applications, or virtual file cabinets, to distinguish the various types of information that can be ingested. Your employee records will be in the Employees file cabinet, while your company's invoices will be stored in the AP file cabinet. This is 100% controlled by your organization's needs. An administrator will assist in setting up specific indexing fields for your virtual file cabinets, adding fields such as Employee ID, Job Code, and Start Date to our Employees file cabinet, and fields such as Invoice Number, Amount, and Vendor Name to your AP or Invoices file cabinet. You can then search on these fields, which we'll cover a little bit later. Content ingestion in ApplicationXtender is easy. Simply drag and drop the file that you wish to upload, provide as much information about the file as known, then save the file. You can also ingest batches of documents by either uploading or dragging and dropping multiple files into the repository. This is perfect for capturing scans from your MFP or desktop scanner. Speaking of scanners, ApplicationXtender provides a web-based scanning interface so that you can directly scan a new document or a page into an existing document right from the web. There are other ways to ingest content into ApplicationXtender, and we'll cover them in another video that speaks to the power of ApplicationXtender's ability to work with APIs, line of business connectors, web services, and bulk image indexing to handle all of your past, present, and future content. For now, let's search on the content that we've recently uploaded. First, we'll search using the indexing fields that were created on our Accounts Payable or AP file cabinet. We know that our vendor, MetaSource, has submitted invoices to us and we want to view them all, regardless of date or other specific information. Without knowing the exact spelling of the vendor name, we can use a star or asterisk as a wildcard. The documents are returned in a sortable data grid where we can also preview the documents that are in the file cabinet. Too many results? This is where we can fine-tune our search to get the results that we want. Let's add additional information, such as the document type, invoice, purchase order, voucher, etc. And we only want information from the last 6 months. Let's use the drop-down for document type, which is also managed by your administrator, and we'll add a date range for the last 6 months. At any point during our discovery, we can save this search so we don't have to go through the same steps the next time we need this information. The search can be saved for the current user or available to all users in the system. What if we don't know any of the indexing fields on which to search? We can utilize the optional full-text search engine that searches within the text of the uploaded documents, and ApplicationXtender will return only those documents that contain the words for which we're looking. Let's open a document and have a look. On the right-hand side, we can see all the indexing information used to describe the document. If we are in a group that has edit permissions, a Modify button will appear. Other ways to modify the document are through check-in, check-out, and annotations. To make changes to a document while keeping a running history of changes in versioning, we can check the document out first, then either add a page, modify an indexing value, then we can check the document back in. Doing so will start a revision history for this document, where we can go back and review previous versions for comparison. To add an annotation, we can use the annotation toolbar to add things like text, redactions, highlights, or rubber stamps. Any annotations saved simply adds an overlay to the document, and are not permanent until we export. Speaking of exporting, you can export the entire document or specific pages, and choose to keep the annotations in place or to remove them from the export. This document can also be printed or emailed as an attachment or a link. In upcoming videos, we'll talk about extending the utility of our documents through the use of workflow automation, line of business image enabling, and records retention management. Once again, with ApplicationXtender, you can take control of all your content from anywhere, including the cloud, on any device using a simple-to-use interface.